Nice. Nice. D.
That was D.
She is so funny. She can say D now.
D.
D. That's right, Papa D.
D. D.
Papa D.
B. Rose. Mom.
It's for me? Hello? Yes, we're on our way. We're getting ready to get ready. We are. Well, we're coming soon. Well, we'll see ya. Well, Merry Christmas. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Ella. Bye.
Need help? There you go.
Bye. Oh. Go.
Is that a P for pillow? See? Pillow. Pillow. P.
When did we get it?
Fish.
Purse.
Fish.
Thank you.
Purse. Do your keys go in your purse?
I'll look at it.
Do your keys go in your purse? And your wallet? And your beads? What else goes in your purse? Your lipstick?
I'll read it. Well, is there a return address on it? Oh, good. Keep it, and I'll send them a card. You know, one of our